Alright, so I just got approached by this guy holding like a pretty big rifle. And he said basically that this is hunting land, I think. And when I sent up the drone, it disturbed him or disturbed the game that he was tracking. I actually really do feel bad about it. I feel terrible about that guy, and I didn't read the signs, or I didn't see any signs, or know that it was illegal here. I feel terrible about it. He basically said, oh, you have to give money, you have to pay money, or you're gonna pay a fine or something like that. How's it going? No, we were actually just about to leave. The sun just went down.
Now you must pay.
What?
I said you go back.
Yeah, we're about to leave. Our friend was way off in the woods. We had to go find him.
Like, dude, we weren't flying over anyone. We weren't putting anyone in danger. Like, we were in, like...
No, I'm just definitely worried just because it definitely is, like, there are definitely some fines you can get.
Yeah, I mean, of course there's some fines, but I wouldn't be too concerned, I'll be honest with you. And I forgot about that you have to pee and poop. So I'm fucking squirting this way, I'm shitting this way. I get a little bit on my foot and I'm like, what the fuck? So then I start spraying more this way and it's just like a fucking disaster. Bro, when you took a shit at Lake Como in the wild, dude, I was scared of the noises that were coming from where you were. I thought it was either an animal eating you being murdered, or... Dude, so true.
Non Cecilia Carmelo Martino. Attaccato questo sono malandro.
We're hiking a really steep hill.
Woo! Where is this thing?
I had no water trip.
Did we drink any?
No.
He didn't try.
We're trying to scare Spencer right now. He's down there sitting on his phone, drawing out his pants and stuff. I'm gonna throw this stick over there to make sure he doesn't get hurt. But we're trying to raise his heart rate, you know what I mean?
No, dude. So many spider webs. It's pissing me off.
These guys are just judging us so hard right now.
We're homeless. Like, how can they make fun of the homeless like this?
And we
have a cheese.
Our boiling water! Yeah!
The first
it
time
looks atrocious!
I love the mountains.
A great example of how the language barrier is just bringing us more problems. So we can't speak German. Jaden can kind of speak German, but that still doesn't really help us. And we got seltzer, or sparkling water, instead of actual water. Which sucks, because sparkling water is not hydrating at all. And when you drink it with, like, when you're eating, like, chips or something like that, you just feel it, like, bubbling in your stomach. It's just like, it's not good.
No, like, help me out with this.
No, I want to keep the steaks in my seat.
No, you put them in the bag. No.
get them right here. We actually had great pasta for dinner. I think it was our best pasta yet, and it's gonna be crazy. Right now we're just pulled over on the side of the road, set up our tent, and you know, fingers crossed we're gonna be fine tonight.
We have made it to the highest alpine field in all, or alpine meadow in all of Europe, and we are having such a great time. So when you need to go pee on the side of the road but there's no trees around, what you do is the technique called the kneel and pee. That's what my man Jaden Lawler is doing right now.
You wanna know our dirty joke?
Sure.
Our trip and this pancake.
Dirt. Resources are limited. And one of those resources that is very limited to one person, or one fork per person, is utensils. And Jaden just broke mine, actually. And he is about to repair it with some gaff tape.
Stick coming out of it.
Fuck.
As it falls into
Literally
horse shit right there. Watch out.
Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Oh my
Wow.
god, that is one huge death machine. So we just finished up sleeping on an alpine ridge field, which was my one goal of the trip. There's some pretty beautiful stuff out there, and we enjoyed it while we were taking a nice snooze.
Why do big trucks like this have to come on little teeny roads? Alright, we are stopping for a final refuel of cornflakes and bran flakes before we take the gondola right there and we head up the mountain that goes right over there, and we're gonna camp up there tonight. We have made it down the mountain, and kind of bushwhacked at the end there, but the rest of it was kind of all right. Henry fucked up his knee a little bit, so he's been hurting. His color aesthetic is really good right now.
Shout out Be Brave one time.
Shout out. Jaden literally just will not stop snoring. Bro, we need to close this up. Just seal it up. Okay, he stopped. He stopped.
Mentre